And I just sold it. I had a property that I bought, I think in 2013, bought it for $75,000. I put in a tenant in there. It was paying me $2,000 a month. And then after a while, when the equity went up, I pulled some money out to buy another property. So my mortgage was around $1,200, taxes and all that kind of stuff. So I was making maybe $500 a month passive, cash flow on top of after expenses. And 2 months ago, the AC went out. Boom, $5,000. That was my entire profit for the entire year. So I decided to sell it. I sold it.